Okay, I want to up front go ahead and tell you my voice is very scratchy. I spent all day yesterday in my yard. There was so much to do. There's still so much to do, but I'm making progress. I'm very happy about that. But I wanted to take just a moment to thank Amy. She is over at J&A Hopeful Acres, and I was the happy recipient of their 70 subscriber giveaway. Okay, and what she did was she gave away this cross stitch. I am not a crafty person, but I know and I love crafty people. So when I entered that drawing, I wanted to be able to share this with someone who is local. She's about 80 years old. She does all kinds of things. She crochets, she knits, she cross stitches, and this is a re-gift, but I told her up front that I was going to be receiving this. What my friend wants to do is she wants to do the cross stitch and then give it back to me. But I told her she has, oh goodness, she has like 20 grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and this would be something wonderful to share with them. I am very, very grateful that Amy gave this to me. And look at this card. This is so cool. It's one of those, when you change the direction of it, you see the motion there. It says, "Thanks so much." I won't bore you with the reading, but here it is. And I think part of the thing that I really, really appreciate about YouTube is the people that you meet along the way. Everyone has such amazing stories. And you may have a niche that you're interested in sharing, but the people who are your subscribers, who become your friend, are really what makes this so special. So thanks once again, Amy, for sending this to me. It is a long overdue mail call. It is very much appreciated. And my friend, when she completes this, once all this craziness settles down with the virus and so forth, I will get a picture or video it and share that with you all. Have a blessed day.